Exercise 81. Pitman shorthand dictation. Ready. Start. If I can spare the necessary time, I shall go to the head office tomorrow. I shall do my best to induce the authorities to raise the rate at which we are to ensure measures Morris and Moore's four bales of rags. The rate should be higher because of the risk of fire and damage to the rest of the cargo. I shall be sorry to receive a refusal, and the business is scarcely worth the worry and risk unless we secure a fair rate. We have had numerous instances of loss on similar policies in the past. I think we should have a due scene of the grave loss and injury which may follow a refusal to raise the rates on these risky packages. Everyone knows how easily oily rags take fire. Stop.